Hey girl, hey! In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you a tutorial on these two looks. One is like very bold and pink. On this side, it's very soft, like a soft smoky eye that I created using a palette that I found off of Amazon for under $10. 40 shades, it looks like this. Both mattes, metallics, and shimmers. We're gonna get into this video. Before we do that, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you have yet to join my family, and let's get started. It's got 40 shades and it comes with a little sleeve like this. Right off the bat, I see tons of colors that I would normally work with and then a lot of fun colors that I can play with. Really getting my brush loaded there. Looks like it's ready to rock and roll. So I'm gonna go ahead and pat this all over my lid. I'm gonna go in with the color that's right next to it. It's this purpley shade. It's a little bit deeper. And let's go in on the inner corner and the outer corner. And if you know me, I don't really play with colors like this, but why not, y'all? This natural light is killing me. I'm gonna go in with this shade here. Oh, I love it. I absolutely love it. Okay, now on the center of my lids here, I'm gonna do a little bit of a shimmery pink, and I'm gonna use this shade right here. Okay, it's really nice and shimmery, and I'm just gonna tap that right on the center here. I never play like this, you guys, and I really should. Now I'm gonna put on some mascara and eyelashes. Here we go. I think it looks great. Let's do that first shade again, this one here. Let's do this color here in the corner. And for this one, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep the color really close to my lash line. And I'm just gonna pat that color on. It's really, really pigmented. Taking a tighter brush, using the same color, that same brown color, I'm gonna go underneath and then blend that out. I've taken another brown shade. It's gonna be this one. It has a little bit more color. The first one was more like the gray side, very cool tone. And this one, again, I'm gonna stick really close to my lashes and concentrate that color there. But then we're gonna switch brushes and we're going to blend that out. Then taking a little bit of this shimmer shadow right here and put that near the tear duct. For the mascara that I am using, you can find it on Amazon. It's called FanFest from Benefit Cosmetics. It looks like this. The eyelashes are also from Amazon. I'll be linking those down below if you guys are interested. 7 pairs for $9, and I use these over and over and over again. I'll just put them back in the tray. These are just 2 examples of all of the many looks that you can create using this palette. Again, this is under $10. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and if you'd like me to show you more products from Amazon like this that are super affordable, under $20, if not under $10 like this palette today, let me know in the comments down below and I'll make sure to do that for you guys as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye!